What's up, everybody? April 21, 2024. Today is 331 days on the road, and today we're over here at the Statue of Liberty.
This isn't the one from New York, this is the one from Kansas City.
Yep, this is one in Kansas City. Right now we're on our way to Dodge City. Just got to the KOA, we're doing laundry now. Bam. Check out, all that laundry is done. And we finally got to our spot here at KOA Dodge City. This is our spot, number 57. Our sign fell down. We got a table, a barbecue grill, and over here is our power and water. We got 50 amp, 30 amp, and 20 amp. Not too bad. We took showers, we did the laundry. We're good to go. Sorry, another short vlog, but it's Sunday. I tried to go to the distillery, but it was closed. We got Wichita tomorrow. That's where all the fast food comes from. So tomorrow won't be short on the food. All right, see you guys tomorrow. Peace.